Hello. Why is the hardest part the intro? You have to be like, hey guys, hey, hey. It's been 3 minutes of me trying to intro this video, for the love of God. Hello everyone, my name is Alexis and I am back with another video. Today I wanted to film more of a neutral look since my first eyeshadow look I posted on my channel was very bright. Bright colors are my favorite, 100%. I decided to start off the intro a little bit different today. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I thought I would just come on here in my natural state, except my eyebrows. Let's not even talk about that because I'm just having a really bad eyebrow day. Anyway, so today I had an idea in mind to try to do a cut crease. Since my first tutorial was a half cut crease, I thought this time I'll do a complete cut crease, mainly with just browns. I'm gonna do some winged eyeliner and I'm thinking about adding some glitter to the look as well. So if you want to see how that turns out, just keep on watching and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Welcome to my face. Today I want to whip out the OG Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I ordered this from the first launch, so it's got the old dingy, dirty packaging. Wait till you see the inside. Girl, she's dirty. Look at this. I had to tape on the shades from the little sheet. The struggle was real when this palette came out. I haven't used this palette in a long time. Honestly, most of my palettes are all bright colors, so I had to find a palette that had some browns in them, and I wanted to do kind of like a one palette tutorial instead of going back and forth between a ton of palettes. First, I'm going to put some Tarte Shape Tape concealer on my eyelid to prime. One thing about filming that's really hard is I'm just in silence right now. Like, I wish I could play some music or something, and if I had AirPods, you know, I could, but ain't nobody got time to spend money on AirPods. I don't need headphones. I don't ever use headphones. This would be the only time I would use the AirPods, so I don't know. Maybe one day when I'm really tired of filming in silence, I'll invest in that. Y'all hear that? That's what happens when you live on a busy road. So I just want to apologize in advance in this video, my past videos, and my future videos of all the noises in the background from cars driving by. I can't help it. I live on a very busy street. Okay, first, I'm going to take Silk Cream on a Morphe E27 brush and start popping it really high up. This is our transition shade, and I can already see that I have some leftover glitter. Oh, crap. That's getting everywhere. I just cleaned my brushes, but some glitter is making an appearance. So this is going to be our lightest shade. I'm trying to make it kind of neutral today. That's what my vision is. I don't want to make it too warm or too cool. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Pooter. Yep, you heard that right. And I'm going to put it underneath that lighter brown shade. What was it called? Silk Cream. I'm starting lightest to darkest, so this should be like our medium tone shade. It's been so long since I've done a cut crease, it feels like, and I haven't actually done eyeshadow in a month, guys. So obviously you guys know that I did not film or upload last Sunday. I've been very busy, just like many of you out there. I got laid off for 3 weeks, and that's actually the reason why I started my YouTube channel, just because I had a little bit more time on my hands. But I was called back to work, so for the past 3 weeks I've been back, and since we were still a little bit understaffed, I've been working a lot. I tried to do the best that I could with keeping up with my Instagram page and my YouTube, but when it came down to it, I did not even have a day off to film a video. I tried to think about, well, maybe I can just film after work one day, but I had just been working so many days in a row that I could not be on camera. Like, I didn't even have the energy to do any sort of makeup look. So now I finally have a day off and I'm back to filming. Now I'm gonna take Mocha and I'm gonna put that even further down, and this is gonna be our darkest shade. So I'm starting really low at first. Like, when I open my eyes you can't even see it. I like to start pretty low and then bring it up, because if you bring it up too far, it's a lot harder to fix. So let me know if you guys liked that I started my intro off barefaced, and if you'd like me to continue doing that, or if you just literally don't care, you can let me know too. I was just doing some YouTube research, and I had noticed that people were saying they liked when people start the intro off just barefaced instead of starting off with the look completely done. Make sure to wing it out. Okay, so obviously that's really dark. It needs blended. I just wanted to pack the color in first. I'm gonna lightly try to blend the edges right now with the same brush. That looks really good. But I'm gonna go back in with Pooter and try to blend out Mocha a little bit more. And now that I have all my colors on and blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with some makeup remover. I did this in my first eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Now that that is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with that same concealer I used before, the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know if I was breathing that whole time I was doing that. Okay, now that that is cut, I'm trying to make the concealer as smooth as I can, because I'm not gonna put any like colorful eyeshadow over this concealer. I'm just gonna set it with some translucent powder. I'm just taking some random Kat Von D loose translucent powder and setting this. Now I'm going back in with Mocha on that same brush. I usually do this after I cut my crease. You have to be really careful though, because you don't want to mess up the line work you just did. I usually will go back in and try to darken this and bring it up a tad bit higher, because I did lose some of the darkness when I cut the crease. But also I was thinking, we're gonna see how it plays out, but I'm thinking I'm gonna add some gold glitter along the line, and if I do that, I'm gonna lose even more of the mocha and the dark brown. So I just want to add a tiny bit, and it would be smarter for me to do this with a thinner, more precise brush, but I just love this brush for when I do this. This is my favorite brush because it is a little thinner, but it's also fluffy, so it just makes everything so blended and stunning. Oh! See, you gotta be careful. I got a little bit on the concealer. Got a little too confident and I messed it up. Nothing we can't fix. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do the other side, because my next step is winged eyeliner, and I don't want to begin the winged eyeliner on one eye and not the other. I like to do them at the same time so I can make sure I get them even. So I will be right back. Alright, I got the other side all done, so now I'm going to start doing the liner. So I'm going to take this little baby Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. Guys, my mom loves TikTok, and she just sent a TikTok to me and my sister. Probably not going to talk very much at all during this, because who can talk and do their eyeliner at the same time? Nobody. Okay. Alright, I'm back. I got my wings done. That took a very long time. I turned the camera off at one point, but one thing I want to point out is that I know that I said the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner is my favorite. It was very dried out, so I had to switch over to the Kat Von D tattoo liner to try to save the day. Keep in mind, both of the Kat Von D products I used in today's video, I did not purchase those. Those came in my Sephora Play subscription box. I am not out here going out and buying Kat Von D's products. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner. This is Midnight Cowboy. This used to be the most popular liner. There was nothing like this. And this is old. This is a couple of years old, I'm gonna be honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and run this along where we cut the crease. So first I'm gonna start out with like a really thin layer, just so we can make sure everything turns out good. And then I'll go back in and thicken it up. Now that I have it basically outlined, I'm gonna go back in again to make like a thicker layer. I remember when this stuff was always sold out, it was so hard to get it. Now makeup has just evolved so much from here, like there's every glitter in the world that you can get. Now I bought this liner when I was in college too, and it was $20, and that was so much money for me. I've just been adding more and more and more to this. I just want it to be super glittery. Doing makeup and trying to talk for a video is really hard. I'm gonna have to start getting used to that. Here's a little news update with my life. I got a new phone. I went from my trusty iPhone 6 to an iPhone 11. I got this case at Walmart today because I ordered a case from Casetify and it still isn't here. It's taking forever and I've gone like a whole week or so with no phone case, and it's been the most anxiety filled week of my life. So while I was at Walmart today, I just tried to buy a quick and cheap case to last me until my case from Casetify comes. But it's like crazy how amazing it feels to have a new phone. My new phone has a ton of storage on it. I bought like the 128 gigabyte one. Well, my iPhone 6 literally had the 16 gigabytes on it. Having no storage was like one of the biggest struggles ever, and now I'll never have to worry about that again. Also, I'm telling myself now that I have nice cameras on my phone that I need, excuse you. I'm telling myself that I need to start doing TikTok videos, like TikTok makeup videos. The algorithm on TikTok just seems crazy, crazy good. And the algorithm on Instagram is absolute trash. I've been trying to like play around with TikTok a little bit just to like try to figure out how to use it. Like I'm making TikToks that I would never post just to figure out how the heck to use it. Now that the glitter is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and I'm going to actually do that off camera. I'm probably gonna make it into a mini tutorial for my Instagram page, so just keep an eye out for that and I will be right back. All right, I'm back with the face mostly done. Now I'm gonna go straight in to do eyeshadow for the lower lash line area. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade, which was Mocha, and start pressing this as close to the waterline as possible. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M506 brush and some of that silk cream and just kind of try to pack and blend so we can blend out that dark brown mocha shade. Okay, so I went ahead and put some mascara on. Now I'm gonna take this nude liner. I know this is by NARS. I don't know what it's called, so if I find out what it's called, I'll put it up on the screen. But this eyeliner is so old, like 6 years old. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that in there. Do you see how much of a difference that made? It just opened my eyes up so much. I love doing a nude liner. Now on to lashes. I want to do something a little bit bigger today. Whenever I have a winged eyeliner and a cut crease, I always like to do a bigger lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these Bronze Beauty foaming lashes, and they're by Eylure London in Vegas Nay. I haven't worn these yet. I know I showed them in my last video, which was my haul video, so this will be my first time trying them. These are super pretty. I had problems with the inner corner, but I always do. Just making sure I don't need to cut this. Oh, okay, we got our lashes on. They're not perfect, but good enough. I want to force myself to step a little bit outside of my comfort zone and put a red lip on. I know. Who am I? I don't like to wear red lips or really colored lipstick at all. It's nude or it's nothing. Pretty much. It's nude or it's Carmex. But in my Sephora play box, I got this NARS little lip stain. Oh, it's called a lip pigment. I'm sorry. In the color called Star Woman. We're gonna give it a try. It might be a total fail. I don't think I have a lip liner that'll work with this. I'm gonna line my lips with this red lip liner. I don't even know what this is. Okay, it says Maybelline New York 50 red. That's all it says. This is the only red lip liner I have. So it probably won't be perfect, but I need a lip liner. Okay, it looks really bright on camera. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Star Woman. I've never used this before, so let's see how it goes. Oh, girl, that's a red. Looks like I just put pink over my lips with this lip liner. The lip liner was a mistake, for sure. Alright guys, so I actually already filmed this part, but I filmed it in my normal shirt and I didn't have gloss on. But I already had this all done, and then I changed out my comfy shirt, and then I realized that I like the look of this shirt so much better right now than the shirt I was wearing the entire video. I feel like that shirt just washed me out really bad. It just really did a disservice to me. So I wanted to redo the outro because you may see a possible wardrobe change in my montage and my possible Instagram photos. Anyway, so what I wanted to say was that I really stepped out of my comfort zone for this look. I never do red lips, I never do neutral tone. I almost didn't add a gloss. And to be fair, I only added the gloss after I thought I was done filming everything, just to just to see how it would look because I am crazy. And now we have to stick with the gloss. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you would like to. I try to make videos every Sunday, but sometimes work gets in the way and you can't really film. I hope you enjoyed this look. Enjoy it while you can because this won't happen often. I like my bright colors and I like my nude lips, and those are here to stay. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my handle is @glam.by.anorm, and hopefully I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!